Hi everyone, welcome back over to my channel. If this is your first time watching, well, welcome over. My name is Amy, and over here we talk about beauty, fashion, lifestyle, and DIY makeover projects. But in today's video, I'm bringing you guys something totally, absolutely different. If you've already seen the title, sometimes I just don't know what I say. If you've already seen the title, you guys know that there is a new fragrance in the fragrance world. Dior just came out with a brand new fragrance. It's fresh, hot out of the press. Is that how you say it? It's fresh from the press, fresh out of the... Lord knows, I don't know what I'm saying today, but y'all get the drill, okay? So this is a hot new fragrance in the market. It actually launches today on the Dior website and tomorrow in all Macy's. And I think by next week, it should launch everywhere all over America or North America. I don't know about the rest of Europe when it's launching, but I know for sure it's launching here on the Dior website today, tomorrow at all Macy's, and then rest of the retailers in North America will get it by next week. But I'm very lucky to actually have the bottle with me today, and I'm going to review it for you guys and tell you guys what are my first impressions, what do I think about the fragrance, what are the notes, what's this new thing that Dior has for us. I've actually tried it already, so I'm not just gonna come here and sit here and lie to you guys. I've already tried it, but I think it's nice for me to actually wear it for a little bit to be able to tell you guys what I truly feel about it. I don't think it's fair enough to just wear a fragrance like 1 second and know exactly how you feel about it. That's just my take. Okay, I'm sure some people might have a totally different opinion, but that's just my take. Before we get started, you know exactly what to do. Go ahead and subscribe to my channel if you don't want to miss any of my upcoming videos. Make sure you turn on your post notification bell so you don't miss a video. And don't forget to give it a thumbs up if you enjoyed this video and if you want to see more videos from me. And don't forget to also leave a comment down in the comment section below. Let me know if this is something that you would be trying. Is it a yay or a nay for you? Let me know in the comment section. Let's have a conversation. So Dior is launching a new fragrance, and I know you guys are excited to see what this is and what this looks like. Well, I am happy. And hence the fact that I'm wearing white, a lot of floral in the back. You guys should actually guess what this fragrance is, okay? Isn't this absolutely stunning, you guys? Listen, even if you don't like the juice, buy the bottle and put it inside your closet or somewhere inside your house because it's stunning, okay? Do I like the juice? Do I not like the juice? We'll get into that details in a little bit. But let's just talk about the bottle first, you guys. Absolutely breathtaking, gorgeous. I'm sure this reminds you of something that you already know in Dior, but they don't even want to associate this bottle with that bottle. And you know what I'm talking about, J'adore, okay? Because this is a brand new something amazing, new innovation that they just came out with. The bottle is just what's doing it for me, okay? This is super beautiful. I know the J'adore bottle, the original J'adore bottle I have right here looks like this, and this is the new, and it's called Perfume D'eau, and this is what the bottle look like. As you can see, this is the new one, which is like the white frosty bottle. It's like a matte finish look, and this one is the classic Eau de Parfum J'adore. The bottle is quite different, as you could tell. On the neckline here, it has like the drop chain going down. This one is just a classic bottle, just like that. So you could tell that there's a little bit of difference also in the neckline. It opens the same way. Let me put this down. It opens the same way, okay, just like that. And then the neckline just stays there. On the old one, this neckline just goes like zigzaggy like this, which is quite nice, also very classy. But this is not why we are here. I just wanted to show you guys the comparison of the bottles at first, and then we'll also compare the juices also and see if there is any difference, much difference, or do they even smell alike at all. They both run the same exact prices. I just confirmed that on the website, and they both are the same exact price, okay? This bottle, which is a 3.4 ounces, I believe is 148. Yes, the 3.4 ounces is 148, and then the 1.7 ounces is 118, okay? And this is the biggest size, which is the 3.4 ounces, okay? And you know what? if you go like this, you can actually kind of see the juice inside, like rolling down. You would be able to tell if the perfume is going, like if your juice is actually getting low, but it's like in a very subtle way, okay? Like when you look far, you can tell where the juice is, but you can't tell at all, like just by looking at it on the camera right here, because the bottle is like a frosty white bottle. It's absolutely stunning. Like I love this bottle. Like I'll just keep this like right there, and look how perfect that looks. Okay, now the most important thing about this fragrance, let's spray it, let's try it. Let me tell you guys some of the specs. Okay, this does not spray as the regular fragrance. Okay, and I'll show you guys both. Okay, so this is the video that you're gonna come to and find all the details. Okay, so this is how the regular J'adore fragrance sprays, okay, which is just like the normal perfume spray. This one sprays a little different. Can you see? A little bit more luxurious, misty. Oh, it smells so good. I shouldn't say this, but it does. It sprays very nice and misty. Now, what is so different about this fragrance? This has been described as water, flowers, that's it. Okay, nothing else. Hence, I told you guys the reason for my background, which is all the florals. Okay, but it's water, flowers, that's it. This is a new innovation, and I know Christian Dior do have a new master perfumer now. The old one, not the old one, but the previous perfumer, who was Francois Dimanche, is actually the one that made this fragrance. I know a lot of people might be thinking it's Francis Cajan, who is the new master perfumer for Dior, but no, it's not him. I think his launches will come by next year, which I'm very, very excited about, if I'm just being honest with you guys. But this one was actually from Francois Dimanche. So I think this was probably his last fragrance with Dior before he left. So yeah. Another thing is, this fragrance has absolutely no alcohol. There's no alcohol. It's a clean fragrance for those of you who are very like clean fragrance conscious. This is something that you have to try because it's also a clean fragrance. Dior has been going towards the clean line. If you guys don't know about this, I think they are probably one of the first luxury brands who is getting into that route, especially when it comes to fragrance, like clean fragrance. Realistically, I don't know, correct me if I'm wrong in the comment section, I don't know of a luxury brand who has made a clean fragrance just yet, but correct me in the comment section if I am wrong. This is alcohol free. It's water and flowers only. Now, the mist that comes out of it is white, okay? So I'm gonna show you, okay? Let me do this. Can you tell the mist? I just sprayed it a lot on my hand so you could see it. The mist that comes out is white, but when it sprays, you see, it's like nothing. It's not gonna stain your clothes, basically, is what I'm trying to get to. It's really not gonna stain your clothes at all, because the way it sprays is so cool on the body. This smells absolutely amazing. I don't think it actually smells anything like J'adore. Think about this, like the shape of the bottle of J'adore, but it smells absolutely nothing like J'adore. A lot of people probably would have questions, because I did have the same question. Will it last long? Is it an eau de parfum or an eau de toilette? It is actually classified as an eau de parfum. Again, when you spray, don't spray that much like that. You spray like shh. It's like very aerosol misty type of fragrance. It is gonna stay very long on the skin because it doesn't have any alcohol. Okay, that's what I've realized, because alcohol is going to evaporate, and this does not evaporate because it doesn't have any alcohol. Remember, it's flowers. I'm sure when you like blend flowers and make it into whatever juice, it's gonna come as oil. So it's like the purest form of fragrance. Like you get the pure form of fragrance mixed with water. It doesn't separate. You know, like when you mix water and oil, you could tell it's separate. This doesn't separate. Whatever technology they use to make this, you guys, is super amazing. I can't stop smelling my hand. Okay, what are the notes in this? So the notes are going to be radiant jasmine, velvety magnolia, and fresh neroli. Okay, very nice florals. This smells so good, you guys. I love J'adore people, I feel like a lot of people kind of link J'adore to like their moms or like their nanas and stuff like that. This is like a fresh new invention that I don't even want to compare to J'adore. And I know exactly why Dior is not even trying to compare this to J'adore or name it J'adore or any form of any other J'adore, because this is just a fresh new invention. It smells so good. There's like a very soft but in like a sharp kick I'm getting on the edge of it that is just so beautiful. Like it's so good. You could tell even that I sprayed it on my hand, like it's not sticky or anything. It's literally just like water touching your skin, so it really absorbs into the skin very well and just stay there. This fragrance, you guys, smells absolutely delicious. It has something that is of like very naughty, very fresh. For some reason, if you ask me, I wish they could have brought this like a little bit earlier in the year, because this is going to be the perfect like holiday scent. Like this would be like one thing I would travel with. Like if I'm on holidays and just want to smell so sexy but so soft and just elegant. Oh my god, this smells so good, you guys. I absolutely love it. Okay, now I'm gonna try, I didn't spray anything on this hand just because I wanted to spray J'adore on here so we can actually do a quick comparison between the two. So this is the original J'adore. You could tell how that sprays, right? And then I'm gonna just spray again. You could see how that sprays, okay? Very different the way they spray. And the cool thing is they say you can actually rub this fragrance. It's not gonna change the formula or the scent, because most fragrances you can't rub because of the alcohol. This one is fine if you actually rub it into the skin, okay? I just sprayed it in my mouth, you guys. Oh, this is so good. Okay, now, this just have like a bit more mature kind of scent to it. I don't know how to explain it. It's just like when you smell it, it just gives you like a lot of maturity in it. Like a lot of like my mom type of vibe, but I would wear it because I love J'adore. And this one just gives me like young, fun, and sexy. Like this is just not young. I wouldn't want to say young because I don't want to feel like it's not for like more mature people. It's just giving me a little bit more like timeless, like right now, okay? Someone just more fun, vibrant, like, you know, elegant, like just beautiful. Like if you guys see the picture of Natalie Portman like in this particular picture, she looks absolutely stunning, and the way she looks in that picture, that's exactly how I would describe the fragrance. If I was given the choice to pick either or, it's a tough choice, but I'm picking her. I'm definitely gonna pick her. And the reason being is just because I feel like she's more now. She's more now, she's more hip, she's more fun, she's more fabulous, she's just more fierce, okay? She's very elegant. Like she's very elegant. You know, she's very stable. Okay, she has a very, very CEO bougie job. That's just her. She's that girl. But she is ready to just take over this world. She is ready to just be seen and noticed, and she's fierce. She's just that girl. She's truly special, and I absolutely adore her. If you are thinking about getting this fragrance, my answer to you is absolutely pick this bottle. I absolutely love it. She is definitely going to be a staple in my collection. I would be wearing her a lot for the rest of this year. I am very excited about what Francis Kajana is going to bring into the Dior wall, but definitely this is a must-have for me. I absolutely I'm recommending this fragrance. It's super beautiful. She is such a gorgeous scent, very just sexy, and I absolutely love and adore her. If you've never been into the J'adore fragrances, I promise you, don't even think twice about trying this. Make sure you try this because it's totally different from any J'adores. This just smells absolutely incredibly amazing. I absolutely love it. And I just don't have anything bad to say about this, you guys, realistically. Worst case scenario, buy this and put it and decorate it inside your house. I know that's a waste of money, but the bottle is super, super stunning. I think this just elevated the whole entire look. I love how different it is from like any other like J'adore bottle, or just any other fragrance bottle in the market. It doesn't remind me of anything. It really truly stands out, especially with the white frost on it. This is definitely a year from me. Let me know in the comment section if you guys have tried this. If you're going to be trying it, what do you think? What are your opinions? I absolutely love it. It is definitely Amy approved. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you do, like I said, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe to my channel and turn on your post notification bells so you don't miss a video. And make sure you leave me a comment down in the comment section below. Let's start the conversation there. I want to hear your opinion. I want to hear what you guys have to say. What is your first impression on the bottle? Let me know what you think in the comment section below. I'll make sure I leave the link of the fragrances down in the description bar for you in case you guys are wanting to try it. I hope you guys love it as I do, and I'm hoping you guys do like it because I absolutely love it. And as always, I just want to say thank you guys so much for watching. I can't wait to see you all in my next video. Mwah.
Take me on a treasure hunt.